Printed circuit boards are one of the most valuable fractions in electronic waste recycling, but they are also among the most difficult materials to process due to their complex structure of copper layers, resins, fiberglass, and mounted electronic components. For recycling companies looking for a stable and efficient solution, we provide a complete PCB recycling line composed of two integrated systems, a PCB dismantling system and a PCB baseboard crushing and separation system, designed specifically for industrial scale operation and high material recovery. The recycling process starts with the PCB dismantling machine. This system uses natural gas heating to raise the furnace temperature to approximately 400 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the zinc-based solder joints on the circuit boards are melted, allowing electronic components to be safely and efficiently detached from the PCB baseboards. Components such as capacitors, connectors, card slots, and other mounted parts are removed in a continuous process, while the copper layers and board structure remain intact. This thermal dismantling step significantly reduces the complexity of downstream processing and improves overall separation efficiency. The dismantling system is designed for stable, continuous operation, with a processing capacity of up to 500 kilograms per hour. After dismantling, the cleaned PCB baseboards enter the crushing and separation system, where material liberation is the core objective. The process begins with a double shaft shredder, which reduces the boards into uniform pieces suitable for further processing. These materials are then fed into a hammer crusher, where impact forces break the boards down further and begin separating copper from resin and fiberglass. At this stage, the material is sufficiently reduced in size, but still requires precise control to achieve optimal liberation. Following primary crushing, the material enters the grinding stage. The PCB particles are first processed by a grinding mill, where copper and non-metallic materials are further liberated at a finer scale. After grinding, the material is sent to a circular, vibrating screen for accurate particle size classification. Oversized material that does not meet the required size specification is automatically returned to the grinding mill for reprocessing. This closed-loop grinding and screening system ensures consistent particle size and a high degree of liberation, which is essential for achieving reliable separation results in the downstream stages. Once properly sized and fully liberated, the material proceeds to the air separation stage. Using differences in density and aerodynamic behavior, the air separator efficiently removes light resin and fiberglass powder from heavier metal-rich material. This step recovers the majority of copper while significantly reducing the volume of mixed material entering the fine separation stage, improving both efficiency and operational stability. To further increase product purity, the remaining mixed fraction is processed by an electrostatic separator. By utilizing differences in electrical conductivity, conductive copper is precisely separated from non-conductive resin powder. This final separation step minimizes metal loss and ensures low copper content in the non-metal fraction, producing a clean resin powder suitable for reuse and a high-value copper product ready for smelting or refining. The crushing and separation line operates at a processing capacity of 300 kilograms per hour and is engineered for continuous industrial operation. By combining controlled thermal dismantling with multi-stage mechanical crushing, closed-loop grinding and screening, and purely physical separation technologies, this PCB recycling solution delivers high recovery rates without the use of chemical reagents. It provides recycling companies with a reliable, environmentally compliant, and economically efficient way to convert waste circuit boards into valuable secondary raw materials.